Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Swim 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to our watch. So, find the Garmin Connect application icon. It can be in the app menu or on the desktop, basically. Find the icon and press and hold on it. And this menu should pop out. Now tap on the app info. And here, tap on permissions. And as you can see, we have two lists. We have allowed and not allowed. And we need to allow some permissions. So scroll down to the not allowed list and we need to allow calendar, call logs, contacts, phone, and SMS. So tap on calendar, tap on allow, tap on call logs, tap on allow, tap on contacts, tap on allow, and tap on phone, allow, and last thing is SMS and allow. You can keep some of them denied, of course, because that depending what type of notifications you want to get. For example, if you want to get the notifications about callings or somebody calling you on your phone, you will need the permission for the call logs, contacts, and phone. If you want the notifications about the messages, you will need the permission for the SMS, and if you want the notifications from the calendar, stuff like that, you will need calendar. So I recommend to allow all of them, but you can deny some of them if you want to. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you can close this window, and now we can open the settings on our phone. And what we need to do is to allow the notification access for the Garmin Connect application. And on the older versions of Android, you can simply tap on search and type in a notification. Oh, my bad. Access. And it should display option right here called notification access and you can tap on it. But this is the Android 12, so it doesn't work like that. We need to find it ourselves. And it's hidden a little. Basically, we need to scroll down, tap on, I believe, notifications right here. And in notifications menu, we need to scroll down, find the option called device and app notifications. And here we have the list of allowed and not allowed. We need to have the Garmin Connect in the allowed list. So we need to tap on it like this. And as you can see, here we have the option called allow notification access. We need to flick the switch on, tap on allow. And once we allow this, we already received the notifications on our watch, as you can see. But this needs to be allowed for the notifications to work. And once the notification access is allowed, we can close the settings. Open the Garmin Connect application. You can tap on the menu icon to open the menu. Tap on Garmin devices. And here select the Swim 2 from the list of devices. Now, on this page, tap on Sound and Alerts. And then tap on Smart Notifications. And here we can customize notification settings. Basically, we can enable or disable the notifications for the two watch states. Basically, we have the during activity, so basically when you're tracking an activity like running, cycling and stuff like that, and not during an activity is basically when you're everything else when you're not tracking an activity. And we can enable or disable the notifications, for example, for during activity or from during activity. We can also tap on show and select which type of notifications should be popping out when you're performing or tracking the activity. And you have all notifications, calls only, and calls and text. So if you select all notifications, you will get the notifications from apps, calendar, and stuff like that. Basically calls, everything. If you select calls only, it will only show you the notifications about calls. And if you select calls and text only, it will show you only the calls and text notification, or notifications rather. And next option is alert, and here we can select what type of alert the watch should perform or give you when the notification arrives. And you have tones, which is the sound, tones and vibration, which is sound and vibration is only the vibration. Next, we have the not during activity, and we can do the same thing. We can enable or disable the notifications. We can select type of notifications and the type of the alert. And once you're done customizing the settings, you should be able to receive notifications on your watch now. So I'm gonna send myself, I won't send myself a message on Discord because I don't have Discord, but it should be working at this point. You saw that we received the notifications on our watch, and when you receive them, you can simply, I believe, press the up or down button on the home screen, the current watch face, to open the list of widgets or tiles, and you can scroll through this list, and once you find the notification menu, it should, let me go back, notifications, looks like this. You can press the start button to open it. As you can see here, we have the notification from our phone, this one, the email. And you can select the notification, press the start button to open it and read it. And if you want to dismiss it, you can press the down button like that to clear it. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.